Hey, Dr. Dan Purser here, danpursermd.com. Sticking with the whole environment that we should all be helping in this country, this whole push forward to beat this virus. We're not going to increase our prices. We're actually going to decrease our prices. So our Pro 7, our SpectraCell are both $100 off through the end of, I'll say May. So hopefully we'll have all this passes by then and we can resume our previous fees, but also the foundation methylation test kit, the genetic kit, and the Pro 7 is a genetic kit too. The foundation methylation kit, genetic kit will be $50 off our usual price. So SpectraCell $100 off, Pro 7 $100 off, and the foundation methylation genetic kit $50 off. Can't beat the deal. So this is Dr. Dan Purser. We're just trying to help do our part. God bless and go to good health.